Hi, I'm Anthony Alder from Alder IP, and welcome to another episode in the IP series. Today we're going to be talking about domain names and how to get your domain name back if you get into trouble. Domain names at the moment often get registered for things that people have trademarks for, or that people, if you've got a business, sometimes people will try and knock off your domain name by registering it and then trying to blackmail you for money to try and give it back to you. There is an easy solution to this. There's a thing called the UDRP system, which is a complaint system that goes through a UN organisation called WIPO, which is the World Intellectual Property Organisation. The URDP complaint system it's pretty much a world first. There's nothing really like it, particularly for intellectual property, anywhere in the world. And the main thing about the UDRP system is the fact that you can file a complaint with this organisation and they provide you with an arbitrated decision within 30 days. Now, it's kind of an amazing outcome if you can reclaim your domain names back from basically cyber squatters who are sitting on your domain names. The process is relatively cheap and it's fast and effective. Basically, when you file the complaint, the other side has about 2 weeks to respond to the complaint, and then the arbitrator makes up their mind in 2 weeks after that. So you basically get a decision within about 30 to 60 days, depending on if everything goes to plan. The main things you need to understand with the UDRP system is that it's not a normal court system. So you don't get damages, you don't get injunctions against the other party. The only thing they can award you is the domain name. So you don't get legal costs or anything like that. The other thing is with the complaint system, they're only looking for 3 basic requirements for the complaint. And the first one is that you have reputation and that's your trademark. The second one is that they have no legitimate rights to it. And this means that they can't be using it for something else quite legitimately, because trademarks are usually specifically bound to a particular good or service. But it could be possible that somebody has the same name as you, but it's used for a different set of goods. And it could be quite legitimate, so they might have legitimate rights to it. So the first 2 requirements are, you have to have legitimate rights, and they have to have no legitimate rights. And the third requirement is the toughest one, and that's to show bad faith. It's not merely enough to show that they don't have a right to it. You actually have to show that there is some element of their behaviour to register it in bad faith. Now, this could be because they blackmailed you with the domain name. Say they offered it to sell it to you for $100,000. Okay, that's definitely in the blackmail category. Okay, if they're making money out of it, if they're setting up a fake website pretending to be you, that's definitely bad faith. If they're diverting it to a website that's just full of ads so they can make money out of the ads, that's bad faith too. You can even prove that it's bad faith if they've got a pattern of registering these things and selling them off to people. The main thing is, though, you have to show that they just aren't just an innocent bystander in the whole thing. They have to be doing something that gives rise to the bad faith element. If you've got a trademark and someone is using your domain name or a domain name that's very similar to yours, you can file one of these complaints and we can help you file that complaint. If you need any more information about domain names or the UDRP system, myself and my team would be more than happy to help you out. I look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for listening.